Hello and welcome again to Goma at Home. And for today, I am preparing for you French toast with apple compote. Wow! French toast, apple compote. Sosyal, di ba? Kala mo ganun, kala nyo lang sosyal. Pero ang katotohanan nun, all you need are leftover bread, no? So ito, bread of yesterday ito. Better pa siguro yung bread of yesterday kasi medyo matigas na siya ng konti, hindi siya masyadong malata pag niluto natin together with the egg mixture, okay? So, apple compote. Ano ba yung apple compote na yun? Sa Tagalog, minatamis na mansanas lang yun. Okay? Save cooked sugar, lagyan natin ng konting orange juice, konting lemon juice para hindi mangitim yung apple. Tapos may konting cinnamon and a little nutmeg. So, we'll do our apple compote first. We'll slice our apples. Okay? Into small pieces. Liit lang. Tapos tanggalin natin yung core, yung gitna. I just take it out like this. Ganyan lang. So, once we slice natin yung apple na ganyan, cut into small pieces. Yan. Ibag, tinatanggal lang yung skin. Pero, for me, no need na to take out the skin. Pag naluto yan, lalambot na rin yan. There you go. 2 apples ang gamitin natin. Okay. Sarap to pang breakfast. So after this, breakfast natin to. Hanapin natin si Lucy kung nandyan para makipag-breakfast sa atin pag gising na siya. Alam nyo, si Lucy medyo camera siya yan eh. So, pag mong papaalam na naka-on yung video mo. Kasi pag nalaman yan naka-on yung video mo, nahihiya na siya. Saan kaya siya, no? So, lagyan natin ng konting lemon juice so that hindi mangingitim yung ano natin, yung apples natin. Just yan, konti lang. Mix natin. Yan. Para while preparing the other items, nandiyan lang yung apple. Hindi siya mangingitim. Now, prepare natin to. So, we'll put our apples here. Then put some juice. More than half a cup. And then the rest, pwede natin inumin. Breakfast kasi. Sarap. Then, put some sugar. Siguro mga, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Put a little nutmeg. Konti lang natira nutmeg. So, ubusin na natin ito nutmeg. There we go. Put some cinnamon. Put lots there. Now, let's bring it to a boil. Mix it. Dali lang ito lutuin. For about mga 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Tapos na ito. Stir it. Let it boil. Bring it to medium heat. Mix it. Ma-determine natin kung tama na yung sweetness niya. Good. Really good. So, while our compote is cooking, tikman natin. Wow. Sarap. So, while our compote is cooking, again, gagawin natin yung milk and egg mixture natin para sa French toast. We'll drop in about cup of milk, cup and a half na. Cup and a half of milk. Okay, then we'll put in 2 eggs. Let's get in 2 eggs. And then we'll add some cinnamon. Wow, yun, kundi pa. The more cinnamon, the better. And then we'll whisk it. After whisking it, initin na natin yung pan natin. Then we'll put it in medium heat. There you go. Let's check on our compote. Let's try it out if we need to put some more sugar. Put in a little more sugar. 1 tablespoon. When your apples are really soft, yan, that means luto na siya. Then yan yung magiging topping natin para sa French toast. That's right. Now it's good. The sourness and the sweetness of sugar, yan, dapat nag-aagaw sila. We put in our butter. Okay. While we're doing that, ibabad na natin tong leftover natin na bread. There. Para mag-soak siya sa milk mixture natin. Then let it brown a little. Let brown. Yeah. That's the one that will give color dun sa French toast natin. And we put our bread. You can smell the apples cooking. Tapos itong French toast natin with the cinnamon. Smells good with the butter. Sarap! Okay, it's browning. So, ikot natin siya. And more butter in the middle. There you go. Wow, look at that. So, binabantayan pa natin to. Yung compote natin while we're cooking that. It's soft already. It's almost soft. Sarap to pag medyo mushy na ng konti yung apples natin. Then sugar and orange juice mixture natin magiging parang syrup na siya. Yeah, almost brown. A little more. Okay. Lower the heat. So we'll make 3 batches of this. Okay. Good, perfect. Look at that. Ganda ng color. Yan ang magandang kulay. Put it on our plate. Then we'll make the second one. Put in more butter. Okay. Masyadong mainit. Good. And then while doing that, dip na natin yung bread. Good. Okay, time to dunk our bread. Woo! Fantastic. And then at the same time, naluluto na rin yung apple compote. So by the time we're done with this, tapos na rin tong apple. Just before we serve this, gagawa rin tayo dito, samahan natin siya ng tarragon tea. And we will harvest some tarragon sa garden natin. And then we'll infuse it with very hot water. So while you're having breakfast, you can have tea with it, or you can have milk or your coffee. Let's see that aside kung brown na siya. Wow, good. Let's try the compote. Up. Oh, honey, there you are. Come here. Come here, honey. Lika. Magbe-breakfast tayo. There you go. Lucy's there. Ano yung picture? Ganda, oh. Diba? Ha? Hindi ka pa handa yan? Ha? Look at this.
Next time, Lord. Lawan niyo ko.
So we love this for breakfast. Okay. One last. We'll brown it. And then, it's the last bread together with the mixture. Look at that, honey. This is good breakfast, no? Woo!
Is this done?
It's almost done. Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Ganda, no? Imagine waking up to this face.
Yeah.
The whole night, katabi mo siyang tulog.
Kaya pagising ko may French toast.
Yes! Of course. Look at our compote. It's almost done.
Next time, mas prepared ako. Lipstick lang na prepared ko.
Ganon. Wow. Look at that. Let's get all the butter. How do you want this French toast? With tea, with coffee, or me?
With you.
Okay, sige. But this morning, I'll prepare tea with this.
Ano yung ano mo? Wala kang juice?
Juice? Well, there's orange juice here.
Ito na.
You can take that.
Ito na muna. I'll start my day with juice.
Yeah. But you're a lover of vegetable juice also, no? And fruit juice?
More fruits.
Huh?
more fruits
More fruits.
than vegetables.
Okay. Turn this.
Parang vegetable is a duty.
What do you mean?
It's not a desire. Fruits talaga you desire. Vegetables, kailangan.
Kailangan. It's
Diba?
a need.
It's a need, yes.
Vegetables yun. Or fruits.
Fruit is always a pleasure.
So fruits is a desire. I'm a fruit.
Oh, pwede. Yes, honey, you are a fruit.
My God. Not a forbidden fruit, no?
I was gonna say, we're having forbidden fruits for breakfast.
Ito. Apple compote. You know, I put in orange juice here. A little lime juice with the apples. And then some sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Yeah, so once making syrup na to, okay na to. This one's done. Let's turn this off. Okay. Oh, look at that.
I love how people try your recipes and then they tag us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or they say they have it for lunch or for dinner. So I hope they have it for breakfast.
So once we're done with our French toast, honey, put some butter on top. Just to melt it. Wow, look at that. Wow.
Kilig sa butter, honey.
Hindi masyado, hindi obvious. Come here. Then we'll put in our compote. Like, may pa compote ka pa dyan. Ano yung compote niyan? Wala. Minantamis na apple. In Tagalog.
You can do this with any fruit.
Yeah.
And you can do it with bananas.
Oh yeah, definitely, yes. Oh, there you go. And then put some on the side, just in case you want some more. So there you go. Okay?
Tia would love this.
Yes, and with this, before I serve this to you, gagawin kita ng tea. Okay? Halika, kuha tayo ng tarragon. So harvest tayo ng tarragon dito, here. If you smell it, ang bango talaga.
Humot.
Humot kaayo. There's an parang licorice na smell. Parang anis yung smell niya. And then you can also eat it. It's good with for tea. It's good with sauces. It's good for your digestive system. Teka. We'll wash this and then infuse it with hot water. So now we have our freshly cut na tarragon. Let's just wash it a bit. Okay. Again, to dry our leaves, put it on a towel, and then just shake, shake, shake. Put it here. You put the whole bunch there. Put everything inside, and then get hot water. So put some hot water here and let it tip for about 3 minutes. Wow, smell it. Sarap na naman eh. Look at that. Okay, let's try it. So our tarragon tea, we let it steep for about mga 10 minutes. And while we're eating this, nagsisteep na yung tea natin. Hold this, honey. Let me cut it for you.
Ano tayo?
Good? Want some more?
Really good. Like perfect day good.
It's wonderful, wonderful breakfast food. The French toast is so soft. Yung compote is not so sweet. It's not too sour. It's just right.
Yeah.
You can taste the cinnamon. Really good.
Good job, honey.
Again. Give some tea.
Just another day in Irma.
Yep. It's a beautiful day. Well, thank you for watching. This is Richard Gomez and this is Goma at Home. Watch our YouTube channel, comment on it, like, and then if you want the recipe, just take a shot of it and then do it at home. If you have other recipes, let me know, baka I can do it, sabay tayo magluto. Okay? Thank you guys, see you! Sarap.